Namaste everyone, I'm Preeti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. प्रीति की प्रतिक्रिया sometime I really thought कि मैंने क्या ही सोच करके ये चैनल का नाम रखा था प्रीति की प्रतिक्रिया. मैं रख सकती थी रिएक्शन, प्रीति रिएक्ट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग, बट मेरे दिमाग में क्या ही चल रहा था कि मैंने ये सोचा कि मैं रखूंगी इस चैनल का नाम प्रीति की प्रतिक्रिया. एंड नाउ आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग I'm Preeti and welcome back to my channel Preeti Ki Pratikriya. So apart from this guys, today we are going to react on a BTS song 2.0, you know how we do. So without wasting your precious time, let's start the video because it's obvious that I'm very excited and now I can't wait. Okay, so let's start. So here we go. Okay. Actually, I first saw the teaser of this song and I saw RM and I was like, मतलब कि क्या ही उस वक्त उन लोगों के दिमाग में चल रहा था कि उन्होंने ये लुक दिया आरएम को पर्सनली, और मैं और भी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गई. नाउ आवर वेट इज ओवर. Here's the Jimin and I'm not expecting this Mushis. I'm really not expecting this, but this looks this is all. I'm never thought that they come up like this. What's wrong with his expressions? I'm talking about this Jin. There. What's wrong? What's wrong with them? Why they're looking like this? Why? This is so good, and this is absolutely not I thought about that. This is actually what I'm not expecting at all. And their mustaches, their beard, and they were like, and he was like, I'm not expecting this one from them, but it feels like कि जो उन्होंने अपलोड किया था स्टोरी पे, that AI picture made by their fans, and he was like, and I feel like he want to recreate that scenario for maybe and he do. And this is actually not expecting, but this is something so beautiful and fabulous. Actually I love that, and I feel like this is the starting of the song, and it was like this. So good. It's too good and unexpected things. So what's going to be next? Actually, I'm not good at English. I'm still learning. So if I say something wrong, so just be cooperate with me. My network is not good. Oh. Actually, how can I forget this to mention that from the starting, and now if you saw the difference, they literally change their position. Jackets looks really unique and good. They always look good. So, if you talk about this particular scene, we found this is something called perfection. This is how a perfect thing looks like. Okay, this is so good. They are so good with their choreography. Literally, I mean, they are so good good with their choreography. They literally match their foot step. They literally match everything. They literally do every step in a perfect sync. Like this is what color perfection I already don't. This is something very beautiful, and it was so beautiful. The choreography. Have a do. Have a do. Such a friend. Woo. Oh, I thought that this is something I want to tell you. Literally, like if you like if we talk about the starting of the song, you can saw that Taeyong like this one and this Taeyong he is literally like this is something very good. This is something very cool. Like if you look at this face, if you look at him right now, this is something so good. This is like I really don't know what I have to say. Like each and everything is look so perfect. And if you talk about the starting of the song, like you can see each and member be like this with a mustache, beard, and their expression be like, oh my god, I just can't forget that their expression are running in my head. If you look at them now, they are totally changed from the starting to now. They are literally changed. Yeah, this is something called too good. Like this is really so good. Oh, whoa.
Gotta give 'em much brand new. 각 다른 스텝 뒤지게 step 2 step 2 2.0 breakdown 여기저기 또 한 번은 내
Whoa, what's this? Wow. So, do we need to talk about their perfection? I don't think so because they are already too good and perfect as we all know that they look so perfect. This is called what a perfection. So that's their moves, their everything. It's so perfect and too beautiful. Like if you do something very from your full of heart, you give 100% to that work and all. It's become a very beautiful thing. It's and when your efforts is come out, it's look very beautiful, it's look too good. And right now this is something I can say, like I already told you I'm not good enough, like I'm not even little bit good in English, but I just want to try. I just want to learn, and I'm in a process of a learning. Not good, and maybe my pronunciations or maybe grammar and all I'm not good at. But I hope you just feel what I'm trying to say. Yeah. No, yeah. Whoa! Did you notice that their background is changed? They are in a bathroom. Oh, oh, oh. They are in a yes. So they are in. But this is too good. That uplifting and down and change. Obviously, everything is look so perfect, no doubt in that. And oh, whoa, what's this? What's this? Like really seriously, this is again something I can say I'm not expecting. Okay, I'm not expecting that they are going to change their clothes on a screen. Okay, this is something I'm really not expecting this, but this is good. But still, as we see, it feels good. It's honestly feeling good. What is this? They Mr. Kim. Whoa. Whoa.
Baby game to live,
This part is literally too good. This is something actually very energetic song. If you talk about the song, this song is a very energetic. Like their beat, their music, lyrics, everything feels so good, and the beat is no doubt there. This is too good, so good. Everything is.
Time to pay your debt. Feel me, not.
Let it be. Let it be.
Hit a lick, and it's split.
Woo! Again. This is what they are doing at the back. What? If you honestly, what is this, Mr. Little? What are you doing with your toilet roll? Like, what are you doing with that toilet straw? Like, if for a second, if you little bit focus on the background, like what are they doing? Someone just doing something with a toilet roll and all. They're literally crazy, yeah. Oh my god. He looks so good with this bandana. Brand new. How about do? Do. How about do. Such a brand new. This is how I do. Whoa. Is the same? So here's the song is, and guys, but actually I don't want to. I'm enjoying this song. You know how I do. Honestly, I'm just going to say the truth that what I feel because the song is literally so beautiful. Honestly, I love the song. This song is full of energy, and if you notice when the from the starting parts, their expressions, that was too funny and too good. And after that, when Shubham is like and when they started their when they started their choreography and they're just deliver everything perfectly. It's look so perfect, their sync and everything we talk about. And one more thing, like Jimin with a mustache and Theo in a beard is I just can't forget that scenario. That was too good, and in fact, everyone's expressions like like this, and he was arm is like this, like, and I love that part. Actually, that part is literally something very good. That was too good. The beat of the song is too good, giving an energetic vibe. And honestly, if I say something that the choreography is so strong that we need to watch this video again and again to focus each and every member, because one time is not enough to not because one time is not enough to focus each and every member particularly. If I'm talking about that scene when the in the washroom they were be like if you notice about the background, they were literally doing a lots of things, different kinds of things. Someone is rolling the toilet rolls, someone is literally rolling the toilet paper, and someone is doing a different thing. That was literally something good. From starting to the end, they literally do their best. They literally give their thousand, lakh, million, billion percentage. And how can you forget about that transitions when they were be in a different of expression, and thus then their sudden expressions change, and the transitions in this MV is brilliant. And also the pre-chorus has such a smooth choreo. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you all enjoy this video with me and you all love this one. So please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I need your love and support. So take care of yourself and see you soon and another reaction videos. Take care.